Good morning, everyone. This is Royce Miller coming back at you with yet another fast food fave. Today on the docket we have Subway, Eat Fresh, and we have a blast from my past, a ancient piece of internet lore, of fast food lore. $5 Footlong. Anyway, let's get her unwrapped and we'll get her eaten. Today we have the classic $5 Footlong, the Black Forest ham. Now this is my custom design. Oh, no, come on now. Tomatoes, lettuce, mayo, sweet onion, and Baja Chipotle with provolone cheese. Let's give her a try, and I'll describe the flavors. Subway's mayo just goes so well with its ham, it's not even funny. Absolutely perfect. I'm eating through this thing kind of fast, but I am hungry. So, even though it's not on the $5 footlong menu anymore, with inflation, it is still kind of $5. Like $5 in then money. I believe the current price tag is like $7.50 something. So you're getting two decent sized sandwiches for less than $8. That is a good deal. And like, while I did say that Quiznos had better bread, Subway, you can't beat the customizability. You can't beat the just sheer selection of meats and cheeses and toppings. Sorry, I'm being an absolute pig right now. P-I-G, as my grandma would say. I went a little heavy on with the mayo this time, but that's okay. So, in the mid to late 2000s, I want to say kind of during the recession, Subway was able to stay ahead of the game by doing one of the most perfect things. Introducing their own version of value menu, where they put their less well-liked subs on the on the what do you call it? On the cheap menu. And that encouraged people to buy them more. I think the original lineup was the Veggie Delight, because it's just veggies. Then you have the Meatball Marinara, which I think my mom got. The Spicy Italian, which I used to get, but like sometime in high school, I just realized that it was too too much spice and acid, too much like fatty acids for me. It just really gave me bad indigestion. Um, the Black Forest ham, one of my favorites. And I think the tuna, I'm not sure. Maybe not the tuna, which is weird because, like, I think tuna salad is gross. The only thing I'll eat tuna, like the canned tuna fish in, is tuna casserole. Or, like, tuna helper. Hang on, let's get digging into the second one here. And, they combined that with such an, like, infamous marketing campaign. Everyone knew a $5 footlong. I'm like, I hated that song because it got stuck in your head. Sorry. Like I said, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since late last night. I'll say about midnight. It's like 10 a.m. now. No, it's past 11 now. This is exactly why they tell you to kind of like not like starve yourself. Starving yourself doesn't work because that means you overeat at your meals. The only reason you should fast is for religious or medical purposes. Like if you have surgery. Or if it's Ramadan. Or if you have to wander out into the desert for 40 days. Or no, how long did Buddha fast? I forget. Eastern religion is not my forte. Hell, Western religion isn't my forte. If you want to talk about the Elder Scrolls of religions, I can maybe talk to you a bit. But no, that is a fantastic sandwich. I've gone on record saying Subway ham is a little bland, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. You don't want too much smoke flavor in something that's supposed to be like a fresh sandwich. And yeah, I got it roasted, but that's like, but like if you want more like fresher, more vibrant, like you get your cucumbers and your peppers and stuff on it. Smoked ham, like really smoke forward ham might not be the best counterpoint. You know what I mean? Although I say that as someone who loves to dip holiday ham in dill dip, which, oh man, like my mom's dill dip is out of this effing world. I ought to try that sometime on stream. This was filmed right after the Malta drink episode. I'm not going to reach for another one of those because, like I said before, it's a lot of sugar. Well, I mean, like, I don't like drinking sugared pop in general. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Although, Diet soda isn't exactly the best for you either. Aspartame is carcinogenous, which means that there's the possibility it can cause cancer. But hey, I'd rather get cancer than go into a diabetic coma. So, it is what it is. C'est la vie. But that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Y'all have a good one. I am going to go rest. I have work tonight. This is Royce Miller. I'm outie.